Now, a lot of people ask me how I know the scammer is in Vietnam, and we are on a Fitbox gym. And I just want you to take a look at the lights and the background of this picture right there. And this is Vietnam. And then this morning, take a look at the lights. Take a look at the ceiling. Take a look at the boxing ring. Fitbox. It's the same exact place. Now, I don't know why some of you don't believe that this guy is a scammer, or why you don't believe he's in Vietnam. And the funny thing is, he went live last night stating he was in Miami, Florida. Kind of hard to be in Miami, Florida when you're stuck in Vietnam and you can't come back to the States. So I just wanted to make this quick video and point this out. The scammer is in Vietnam. If this isn't enough proof for you, then I don't know what is. I don't know what to tell you. If you want to send your money over there and get scammed, that's definitely on you. But if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.